Restomod to check out here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 1978 Chevrolet El Camino Restomod. Original Arizona car with a frame-off restoration done in 2014 to 2015. Listen to this, LS2 crate, 420 horse, V8. Engine underneath the hood. Nicely equipped too, power steering, power brakes, AC, four-wheel disc, all four corners, disc brakes, Willwood. 6,843 miles on the odometer since restoration, actually decoded digital gauges. Tremec T56 crate, 6-speed put in it, same time the engine was, again at restoration. Take a look at the custom front grille with the headlight covers, bumper painted to match. Speaking of paint to match, it's kind of a deep burnt orange, I guess, if you will. Take your time looking through the still pictures of this one. You'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, bed of it. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. US mags, wheels, all the way around. Again, you can see the rotors behind that, so disc brakes. Let's take a look down this passenger side. Paint shows well, has a nice shine to it. Black vinyl interior with bucket seats. We'll get around to the driver's side so we can check that out a little bit closer. Start it up, let you hear it run. We will also take this car for a drive, take it out down the road, put the camera in it, show you how it drives out. Kind of a virtual ride, if you will. Coming around to the rear of it, has a new Curry 9-inch with 355 gears. That was also done at the time of restoration. You can see the soft tonneau cover. Now I do want to show you something, couple things here. First, we're going to go over releasing this tonneau cover. You want to keep these straps out where you can pull them, and then you just pull it back like that. That's going to release the lever of the lock from the one side. We're going to do the same thing on this side. And then what we can do is lift this straight up. Your struts will support it, both sides, and you can see here's where it locks at. I'm going to show you how to hook that back up in a second and how it works. The reason you want to do that is because, of course, the handle or the tailgate is right here. So you could have a nice cargo area as far as going to any cars, shows, roll-ins, cruise-ins, anything like that. Cargo net in the rear. Now, hopefully, maybe I can kind of get you a good picture of how this works. So, again, here's where it's going to lock. There's one of those on each side. Let's go ahead and close this up. Now, the thing is you want to make sure, just like I mentioned, having that strap outside. So we're going to put that up and on the outside, both corners. All right, so now we can't get those straps locked in there, and then all it is to turn this, lock to that side, come over and do the same thing over here. That locks that side. Again, we have both our straps showing out the corner. Good to go there. Make sure we don't get them caught in the tailgate. All right. And then once you have them that way, you can kind of feed them back in so they won't flop around. So nice little setup for securing your tonneau cover. One other thing I want to go through. No door handles. Door handles are shaved. Okay, so there is a key fob with a popper, and we're going to open the driver's door with that when we get around to that right side. But since I'm over here, I want to tell you there is a push button. It's behind this door seam, probably about approximately right here, behind the door seam, underneath on the bottom side of the pans. So kind of right where this cargo area pan would be down below, where that rear window is. There's a button. You can push that. That'll pop the driver's door. Want to let you know about that. Battery location behind that passenger seat. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. Take a look down the driver's side. Again, you can see the paint shows well, has a nice shine to it. If you like custom Restomods into specialty cars, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here. Videos uploaded daily. A lot of different cars, wide variety of vehicles that we do sell here at uniqueclassiccars.com. When the videos are uploaded, these vehicles are available to purchase online or, of course, off our showroom floor if you make it to see us in person. A few things I want to get to underneath the car. It does have Hotchkiss suspension components. I mentioned the Dakota digital dash. We're going to see that when we get in the car. Underneath the car, too, this does have ceramic coated headers, MagnaFlow mufflers, true duals, stainless exhaust. You'll be able to see that on the undersides. Bluetooth, capable stereo with GPS. There's 10-inch sub, and the adjustable sub knob is right underneath the stereo system. So I wanted to get those things out of the way before we start this up, fire it up, let you hear it run. Remember, stick around to the very end of this video. We're taking this thing for a drive. So, key fob right here. We push this button, number 1, opens the driver's door. Power windows, power locks. There'll be still pictures underneath kind of the seat cover here. There's no rips, tears. Previous owner had it on there. We're going to leave it on. Leave it up to the next owner if they want to take that off. Tilt column. All right, remember, LS2 power. So let's get that fired up. Of course, no need to pump it. There's the exact miles. It's showing 6,843. Previous owner state since restoration, done in 2014-15. Top of the dash. Looks good. You can see custom stereo speaker install, stereo system, good sounding system too, by the way. Plenty of bass, no doubt about that. And again, underneath, all right, there you can see your, again, Dakota digital gauges, fuel, water temp, volts, oil pressure. Door closes nicely. It slipped around to the back so you can hear this run. Nothing crazy over the top as far as exhaust. Just a nice throaty exhaust note with those MagnaFlows. And you know this car will get up and move once you're on the throttle. All right, let me pause this a second. Pop the hood, check out the engine bay. Remember, stick around to the very end. We're taking this car for a drive. Underside of the hood, gloss black. There it is. Nice clean tidy engine bay, plenty of horsepower, aluminum radiator, looks like dual electric fan setup. Cannon, cold air intake, there you can see your headers, Willwood master cylinder, power brakes, power steering, AC, of course, serpentine belt system. So very modern drivetrain to this 1978 model year. Restomod, Chevrolet El Camino here at Unique, especially in classics. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pics. 507-386-1726, number to call. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1978 Chevrolet El Camino. we have a SoundStream radio in the dash. That is working well. This is a 6-speed manual right here on the floor. We've got digital gauges in the dash. If those are flickering at all, that's just our camera's frame rate, not the car. Very good acceleration in such a light package with this car. Or truck, I should say. Let's go into 6 just for the heck of it. So at 59 miles per hour, we get 1500 RPM in 6th gear. That's pretty nice. Our oil pressure is 46. Fuel is over half full. Water temperature is 141 and still rising. And the volts are 14.2. That's all looking good. Smooth running El Camino. Nice shifter. I like the kind of close pattern with the gears, and very, very responsive throttle in this car. Super fun to mash the throttle in this car. Vinyl bucket seats for our comfort, power windows, just a great El Camino. Take a look at all the pictures and learn more about it at uniqueclassiccars.com.